Buckle up, guys. Today we're diving straight into a courtroom showdown where silence speaks louder than words. Right from the opening moments, you can feel the weight of the situation. The judge's voice cuts through the tension like a blade, the parties are locked in, and the stakes are crystal clear. This isn't just another routine hearing, this is the start of a storm that's about to unfold.
Hello.
Hiya.
You alright?
I'm not too bad.
What are you doing here today?
Pardon?
What are you doing here?
Well, first of all, can you identify yourself properly?
Yeah, I can identify myself. I'm PC Nodes, attached to Wimbledon Police Station.
And your shoulder number?
You can see my shoulder number.
Well, not everyone can read numbers, that's why I'm asking you to
You can't
identify.
read. Okay, it's 3199.
No worries. And yourself?
My name's PC Brito and my shoulder number is 2463.
Cool, thank you very much.
And what are you doing here today?
I'm doing a bit of filming.
Okay. For any particular reason or?
No, that's it.
No, just want to film
Yep.
back dates of the police station. Are you willing to give us your name or anything like that?
Why would I need to give you my name for?
You don't need to, I'm just asking.
Yeah, no, but why would I need to?
You don't need to.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm asking, would you like to give us your name?
No,
No, you wouldn't.
No.
Okay. Where are you from? Do you know?
that's irrelevant.
Pardon?
That's irrelevant.
It's irrelevant.
Yep.
To what?
Well, why did it matter where I'm from?
It doesn't, I'm just asking.
Okay.
These are just normal questions I'm asking.
Yeah, but if it doesn't matter, then there was no need to ask it.
Alright guys, here's where the calm begins to crack. What started as controlled statements quickly shifts into heated territory. One side throws a sharp claim into the mix, and the reaction is instant: raised eyebrows, heavy pauses, and a visible shift in tone. You can almost feel the temperature in the room rise as the balance of confidence starts to tilt, setting the stage for the conflict to deepen.
I'm under no obligation to give you my name.
Well, at this moment in time, I'm going to detain you for a purpose of search. I'll be searching today under Section 43 of the Terrorism
Okay,
Act.
right. Under Section 43,
Give me a
you need
second,
to give me the
second.
specific part of Section 43. Don't just give me a number, you need to give me the specific part. And also as well, okay, to do with actually having so-called evidence to use Section 43, you need to make sure that you get this done correctly, and you tell me
with all
what
due
site,
respect,
what
can you-
actual
we're gonna just do our
part of
job.
Section 43.
yeah, we're
No,
just
it will be an
What we
unlawful
do,
search.
You can make a complaint.
It will be an
afterwards,
unlawful
okay?
search.
And if you
Okay,
want to complain
and
about
if you feel that way, you can make a complaint
Okay.
afterwards. But this
So-
is what we're going to do here and now. If you have an issue with that,
what is your where is your actual proof of hostile reconnaissance?
we've explained to you.
Where is your proof of that?
At this moment in time, mate,
We don't
I
need
haven't
to-
even gotten to my grounds just yet.
So what is
As I
your
said, I just-
no? You're calling me a terrorist. You're doing
not
it under
calling
the
it a terrorist,
you're
I'm
doing it under the Terrorism Act. Is that or is that not calling me a terrorist? If
Not
you were
at
going to
all.
search me under the Terrorism
Not at
Act,
all.
no.
No.
Things are heating up fast. This is the moment where both sides stop holding back. The judge is laser focused, the witness is cornered, and every word starts carrying weight. You can sense how one statement leads to another, stacking pressure with no room to breathe. The silence between sentences is louder than the arguments themselves, and it's clear something big is about to crack wide open.
Please make sure that you quote me the specific part of Section 43 that you're going to do this under.
As I said, you'll be searched today under
No,
Section-
you need to make
Section
sure
43
that
of the
you actually
Terrorism
give me
Act.
the specific
The
part
reason
of
being-
Section 43.
The reason being why I'm searching you today, sir, is because you've been quite evasive towards us when we come and...
What? Because I don't want to give you my name.
Yes.
Okay.
All questions.
Am I under any
That's
legal
fine.
obligation to
You're
give you
not,
my name?
however,
So
but-
how is that then?
But
How
you've
is
not
that
really
then?
given us a- you're not really giving
Well, it's a
us a-
public building. I'm standing in public. Well,
Standing
hang on,
outside the
hang on.
police station filming it.
Is that against the law? Is, what I'm doing is
You don't
is
need
it
to break
against the law?
to be searched.
Okay,
You
but
need to
what?
be
No, but you're searching me
suspected,
under the
and we need to
Terrorism
have
Act.
suspicion
Okay,
to search
so
you.
your reasonable
I mean,
suspicion.
we're not
What is
arguing
it?
We're going to search you.
Okay, right. Well, we'll go for it. Okay,
fine,
but it
as
will
I
be.
said.
It's completely unlawful.
Well, then you can make a complaint
You can make
afterwards,
a
can't you,
complaint.
sir?
Okay,
It's fine.
it's completely unlawful.
Okay, make a
and
complaint
abuse of
afterwards.
powers.
If you feel like that,
Okay.
make a complaint afterwards.
Right, because
So
I
being
would
recorded,
really,
you're
really want
recording
to know.
it, we're
I don't
recording
worry.
it.
Yep, and I
So
will
you can
carry
make a
on
complaint.
recording.
So you're
That's
going to be
fine.
searched.
That's fine,
Okay.
you'll be
And
searched
make
today.
complaint
Okay.
afterwards.
As I said, the grounds being for the search is, yeah, because you've not really given us an actual
I don't have to
excuse as
give
why
you
you're
my
here.
name.
You've been
Well,
evasive
you've
towards
already
us.
said that it's because
You've
I won't give
also
you my
been
name.
quite obstructive at the
All
moment
right.
in time
Yep.
with the search.
Okay.
All right.
This is where the entire tone shifts. One critical piece of evidence is laid out, and the reaction is explosive. The accused doesn't stay silent anymore. The voices rise, and suddenly the judge has to regain control. This moment isn't just suspense, it's the heart of the storm. Everything before was built up, but now the clash is real and raw, and no one in that room can ignore what's happening.
Because I'm
And you've
questioning,
also-
I'm
you've
questioning the law.
That's fine. And also, the reason why we're searching today is because you've literally the only place that we've actually saw you search or film was the actual back door of a police.
Well, that
gate.
you've seen.
That's fine.
That you've seen.
Which is
Okay.
a bit suspicious, and that's why
Well,
I'm doing
no,
it.
no.
I
What
said-
you got to remember, that's your own feelings.
That's fine, sir.
That's your own
That's fine,
feelings.
but you're still gonna get
okay, it's
searched.
not what the law is.
You're being
Okay.
detained,
Yeah.
and you will be searched today
Yeah.
under Section 43 of Terrorism Act. All right.
Have you been searched before, sir?
That's irrelevant.
It might be irrelevant.
That's irrelevant. I know, mate. It's a joke. They're searching me because I'm filming. Yeah, I know, mate. Bunch of turds, nothing more.
That's a bit rude.
Well, no, it's not.
We've only been pleasant to you.
No, you're not. You're abusing my legal rights.
I don't think we're abusing.
No, you are. You're abusing your powers.
Okay.
End of story. You're
If you think
abusing your
that,
powers.
That's absolutely fine.
as we said, if you feel that that's the case, then you can always make.
Oh, don't worry, I will be.
That's fine.
Okay.
We've
You
never-
couldn't even
we've never
quote.
told you.
You could not even quote me the Pacific part of Section
That's fine. Just turn
43.
around for me, sir.
Okay. You could not even quote me the right part of Section 43.
I'll do, sir. I'm
You
going
don't
to put
need
this
to.
inside your bag, all right?
Yeah, you do need to if you read
Okay.
if you read it correctly and what the
Alright.
law actually is.
We've officially reached the boiling point. The courtroom isn't just intense anymore, it's electric. Every look, every pause, every word is a standoff. The judge's patience wears thin, the parties push back harder, and you can tell this is the moment where everything hangs in the balance. If there was any doubt before, it's gone now. The truth is closing in fast, and there's no turning back.
Okay.
And how
the
long have you
number,
been a police
the number,
officer for, sir?
the number is not the law. The number is not the law.
And how long
It's
have
the
you been a
wording
police
is what
officer
is the law.
How long
Well,
have you
you
been a
definitely
police
don't know
officer
your job, do you? Okay.
Well,
You
you obviously
definitely
don't-
well and
you
truly
certainly
do
don't
not
know
know
my
your
job
job
either.
because all what you're doing is you're abusing powers.
getting very angry over nothing.
Yeah, because I'm getting frustrated because of a turd such as you that think that you can search me like this.
That's very rude.
Okay.
We've not actually been rude to you at all.
Right.
No. Now you
Absolute
say
disgrace. Absolute disgrace, the pair of you. Okay. Complete blatant use of powers.
Why are you so against us searching you?
You've abused your power, okay? You said that you got reasonable grounds, okay? As I already stated, okay?
It doesn't.
Now, as I said, now there's that, okay? I would like you to take that,
I don't
okay?
want that.
Right, do you know who the MPCC are?
Yes.
Okay, yeah?
I don't think I need that though.
Why not? Why not? Because you're going to find
not
out
relevant to
that...
this
Yes, it
search,
is, because you're going to find out from this, from the MPCC, that what you've just done is unlawful. Okay, and
know
it
what
clearly
you've done is
states that. No, it's not, okay? You talk utter crap.
And I actually.
You talk
feel
utter
gentle
crap.
in search.
The both of you, okay? You both took part in the actual. Well, either way, you searched my bag. You're a part of it. Okay? You're a part of it.
Okay.
Right? And you're both an utter disgrace.
Now the storm is settling, but only slightly. The arguments have landed, and the judge's tone is shifting to control the room. This is a phase where words carry consequences. It's not about who talks louder anymore, it's about what sticks. You can feel that the verdict is near. Every pause from the bench, every final statement is shaping the outcome. The courtroom knows it, and so do we.
Know how to make a complaint if you're.
Oh, don't worry, I do.
Okay, I'm sure you've
Okay.
probably done it before. haven't
Alright.
you? But it's all recorded on our body worn,
That's
which will
fine.
be uploaded.
That's
and once
fine.
you make that
Well,
complaint, they'll review the
as
body
I
worn.
said,
They'll be able to
okay,
review.
make sure that you upload it properly and don't damage it.
Don't damage it.
Yeah.
They're quite hardcore. I don't think they're that
Okay.
easy to damage.
Well, you two definitely ain't hardcore. Okay.
But even if
you
it-
two are an absolute joke.
Okay, well, even if the camera does get damaged in any way, you can still
Okay.
make the complaint. Any
No worries.
questions? No? Okay.
Any questions? Why would there be any questions for you abusing my
Well,
rights?
just being kind. And
For you,
asking if you have any questions.
seriously, you're going to try and be kind, considering you just abused my rights.
We haven't.
Yes, you have.
Have a lovely
You're an
day.
absolute joker.
Bye.
Bunch of turds, nothing more. Okay? Absolute bunch of turds.
Here it is, the final moment that everything's been building toward. The decision lands like a hammer, and the tension finally breaks. What started as heated words ends with a judgment no one can ignore. The looks on their faces say everything. This is where the story closes, but the impact will linger long after. If you've made it this far, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.